Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Kannur Lokesh Rahul, commonly known as KL Rahul. Today's drawing is on KL Rahul, an international cricketer who is of the Indian origin and plays for the Indian national cricket team. For the drawing, I have used 2H pencil for the base because mostly I use 2H. You can also use H or an HB to do the baselines. That I have done mostly off camera because I like to come close to the drawing and search for the proportions what I can do. I try to do freehand. I do not really use the grid method. Let me know in the comment section if any one of you wants to learn how I exactly do it. I would try to film it, try to film the base of it. But for your help, you can go on and try with the outlines that I have used the fine liner for. If you pause the video and check the final outcome of the outlines, that should be very much easy for you to draw it. But yes, for sure you need to do a lot of practice. For that, you can go to my playlist and there are innumerable number of portraits where you can actually see how I have grown from strength to strength, from my first portrait within this channel to now. It's much easier because I have been practicing almost every day now for the past 3 years, so it is easier for me to draw the outlines. And then to finish it, you can use anything from oil pastels to even acrylics. If your portrait outlines are good, then the portrait would definitely come out and like real life. I have always given a stress on lights and dark shades because that's the most important thing. Otherwise, if you are shading the hair and it doesn't have the difference with dark and lights, then it will look like a wig. Similarly, it goes for the skin. It would not look as realistic as you would want it to be. So different mediums, even mixed media has got different outcomes. For this one, I have used mostly the charcoal pencils and the dark graphite pencils too. So the charcoal was mostly used on the hair part and on the darker sides, and the graphite pencils on the lighter ones. Then I used this handmade stomp that I have made for myself, and that helps me because even you can also use a stump which you can buy from the stores, and your any art store will have this kind of a stump. They will be fatter a bit, or even they are thinner. There's a pack, you can buy that. But I love using this handmade one because that gives me much better of an outcome. So this is what I have used for the portrait. Let me know if you want to know exactly which materials I use, how I use them, what are the materials that I possess and everything. And if you have any suggestions for the channel, any drawings that you want me to draw, then let me know. You never know, I can draw it, the one that you suggest next. Thanks for watching. Please support my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, then please subscribe to it. If you have liked the video, then like it, because that sends YouTube the signal that the videos that I produce are of good quality and are beneficial to everyone out there who loves drawing. Thanks for watching again. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.